Alright guys, you can hear Jonathan's head. You can hear Jonathan's voice. Hi. So I just threw some makeup on today because I want to go over everything that's in this big bag. And no, it's not a Fontana haul, but it's my makeup. I don't know what I'm going to call this video, but these are basically the best of the best for me for 2016. Everything that's in this, I cannot live without. One thing that I'm remembering off the top of my head that I couldn't find when I was looking. One thing off the top of my head that I couldn't find when I was looking for it, didn't get in this bag, was my Rochester Cosmetics Dominatrix. That brown lippy I've been wearing the heck out of. Right, and it's not in there. Also, what's not in there is, as I'm thinking, is my Faith lipstick by Pink Princess Cosmetics. I love that lipstick. So Faith by Pink Princess Cosmetics and Dominatrix by Rochester Cosmetics. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to go in is something that is new to me that I got by the way of Fontana. So it's a drugstore product, and this is the LA Colors Luminous 5-piece collection Luxe. Now this is, it comes with a plastic thing over it, and it keeps it I think free from dust or whatever. Excuse me. But I don't know, I just got rid of the plastic thing, so it's just there. But this color here, stop. But this color right here, this glow is what I'm wearing, and this glow tends to be on the more golden side. Now the others work, but they're a little bit too white for me. But this one here tends to be, so as you see it, it's all golden and stuff. So that's my third one. Then, my God, I figured this out last. This is my Face by Chanel loose powder in bamboo. This thing for baking is phenomenal. I feel like the light is not catching me properly. I should have brought my ring light. This my Face by Chanel loose powder in bamboo, absolutely amazing for baking. I love this thing. Gone to bed. I should probably come up some more. Yeah. You guys have no idea how close I am to the camera. Let me just try and sit back. Y'all have no idea how close I am to this camera. It's because I'm using natural light and the sun is going down. But anyway, my face is, if I come here, then it's nice and bright. Yeah, so my loose face powder, loose by Chanel, Face by Chanel loose powder in bamboo baking. Yes, and these are products I just like. If I'm going anywhere, I'm taking one of these. You know what I mean? Like, that's how serious they are to me. Then my Shades by GRAIL contour palette. See, I've hit pan, that I've moved on to this one for low lighting. So I'm wearing it today. I low lighted with it today. Listen, Shades by GRAIL, you'll find it with that one, yeah. I love it, and I love it. You guys know I use it for my brows and for my low light, for eyeshadow, for my face powder. It is just so versatile. Speaking about face powder, this is my Classic Espresso by Black Opal. Any pressed powder by Black Opal to me is a win, and of course, obviously, in my professional makeup artist kit. I mean, what are you doing if it's not though? Like, if it's not, what are you doing? Ew. So I've hit pan on this, and I just bought it probably 3 weeks ago. 2.5, and I've hit pan, I mean obvi. But anything like any one of the pressed powders, and I use cappuccino to do my highlighted areas, and I use this is Classic Espresso, and this one I use to do my all over face. Right, so I'm just reaching in. Oh, come on now, bud. You guys know that this was, I don't know if I got it this year or last year. Sorry for that truck. I don't know if I got it 2016 or 2015, but my Santi palette, are you joking? Are you joking? And this thing is constantly sold out at Fontana, they're telling me. By the way, thank you. Thank you for support. Thank you. Thank you. But this thing here, this thing of beauty, so many colors. You need it in your life. No, Bubba, you need it. And I just want to say, as a drugstore, but I just want to say though, if you're going to shop by Fontana, I suggest you getting the rewards card, because the rewards card gives you % off, and also on your birthday you get 20% off. Yeah, so this is my Sacha Buttercup. I use this for baking. It's very reminiscent to me of my Chanel Face by Chanel powder, but I just like the color of the Face by Chanel more. So I'm almost out of my Face by Chanel. I'm like, crap, I'm gonna have to get some more. But then doing this video, I'm like, oh yeah, but I have this, but I still want one more bamboo by Face by Chanel. That thing for baking is phenomenal. But of course, setting powder, I use this for baking and to set what? Yes, I'm filming. Yes, I use this to set as well as to bake. Sasha Cosmetics Buttercup. Okay, bubble. And of course my LA Pro Conceal in Fawn. It doesn't matter the color as long as it matches me, but Fawn, yes. Holy grail. I would say all of these products are a holy grail for me, all of them. And these two I found out recently when I was doing Manatee Fontana tour. I remember I did some like meet and greet by Sav, Montego Bay. I was at the customer appreciation from Montego Bay for Kingston. Then I went to Mandeville, and then I went to Ochi as well. I picked this up I think at the Mobay store. This is the LA Pro Primer. I use these for lipsticks. I use these as bases. I use these as like to put in my brows when my hair wasn't so light. Like I use these things. This is just life to me. I cannot believe that I just found out about another site and I was like, alright, let me try that. I'm just pick it up, and it is, I love them. This is in black, and this is the white one. No, this is black. No, this is white. It just says white, and then this one just says black. Very straightforward. They have another flesh tone one, but I bought these two, and these two have been life for me. Then this one is also new. I got it in a set, and it's an eyeliner pencil from LA Colors. I got it in a holiday set. If I have the clip, I'll show you guys over here. If I find a picture of what I'm referring to, I'll show you guys. This thing is so nice, so good. My eyes get a little bit watery during the day, and sometimes I lose my eyeliner, and I don't have to set this with any powder so it doesn't move. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's an LA Color product. Like, are you kidding me right now? Like, what? Okay, I have 3 things in my hand. Thank you, Jonathan. I can put this right here. Okay. Okay. The very first thing is my Becca primer. Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. Listen, I don't know. This thing is sort of kind of amazing and sort of kind of a prodigy. This primer is bae if you have oily skin and you want to up your primer game. You don't want to use no more Philips Milk of Magnesia, because Good Girl turn up for 2017. I was saying, oh, it's Philips Milk of Magnesia.
Our Philips Milk of Magnesia go. Where's she going? Where? Donde?
So this, yes, highly recommend this. Highly recommend that. I feel like I look weird in this clip. I don't know. Let's just roll with it. Then my Keisha Care Lollipop. This blue lipstick is everything to me. When I close my eyes, it's here I stand. Lollipop, Kyor Cosmetics. Yes, boo. This is Kiza. This is from a company called iJosephlocks.com. This is owned by my girl Glam by a Second. Listen, all her glitters are bae. All. But this Kiza, boo, this Kiza, honey, yes, it's like navy blue, like with like some silvers in it. Let me just take a look, see. Like navy blue with silver in it with some black. And I don't think it's black. I just think it's how the navy blue is. I'm doing a swatch of glitter. So you can't see it, but I love it. So it's like, stop Jonathan, it's like navy blue, but it's like a silver navy blue, and I love it. I've been trying my hardest not to use it in videos, and sometimes I fail and use it in almost like a lot of videos. Foundation, my Time Wise foundation in bronze 6 by Mary Kay. Yes, honey, yes. I'm not wearing it today. I'm wearing another foundation. I'm wearing the let me just show you what I'm wearing. But I'm not including it in this video because I can't do without it. This is 24-hour infallible one. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. With my e.l.f. primer, it's bae, but whatever. I'm not even wearing a primer today. I just did my makeup for you guys. Whatever. But yeah, this Time Wise foundation, it's almost empty. That's why I've switched over to that. And even though I don't really like it, I'm going to use it till it's done, because I'm keeping it for special occasions. Oh my goodness, my Black Opal. Remember when I used to use this thing like for 2 years straight? No other foundation but Black Opal. This is in hazelnut, but my color, you know, is Cara. But I think my color has changed. Like, I think I'm getting lighter. I don't know if weight loss means tone up in melanin. I don't know what that means exactly, but that's what has been happening. Like my color, and I guess it's because it's winter. which you don't experience seasons like that out here in Jamaica, but I guess because it's winter, so my skin color has changed. So yeah, I'm wearing them today. I've been wearing it all year. These are my fashionista lashes, and this is the packaging. You guys can shop at PornByLyric.com. Look at me smiling like an idiot. But these are my fashionista lashes. I absolutely love the packaging. I love the color, and this is what they look like. I'm absolutely proud of them. I know we only have one lash, and on the Porn by Lyric site we don't have much over there, but bruh, 2017, the whole of the year they be another whole of favorite one. But yeah, so right now on the website you can get our extra large Pommy Fitness belt, as well as these or fashionista lashes. So those are the two things that are now currently available for purchase on the PornByLyric.com website. That's our website, and these are my fashionista lashes that I love. Oh my goodness, how am I talking without even mentioning these? My Black Opal concealer in Toast. It's called their Flawless Concealer in Toast. It's like the lipstick concealer. I use it to do my brows. I use it to do my highlights. I love that thing. I didn't know I would have fallen so in love with it. I just like the color. Decided to just try it out, and I ended up falling in love with that thing. And of course my Shades by Gal Medium Inch Concealer Bubble that I used to do everything, baby. Everything. I use it as my eyeshadow base. I use it to do my brows, and I use it to highlight my face if I want like a well highlighted look. Shades by Gal Medium Inch Concealer. Yes. And this is beauty related, but it's kind of skincare. Magic Shade Facial Serum. Magic Shade Facial Serum. Our moisturizer go. Our lotion moisturizer going. I love this thing so much. Jonathan, you have to be careful. Do not pull it, because if you pull this glitter on, this boy take up my good keys. I'm just on the rave boat. I forgot mash it up. No. Love, 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 love. Okay, so this is Midnight Black, and this is the loose cosmetic glitter by MUA Essentials, a Jamaican owned company. And I like this Midnight Black because it is black, it is dark. MUA Essentials, my bad, my bad. MUA Essentials Midnight Black, yes honey. It looks like sequins, you know what I mean? My hibiscus nectar, why am I always mixing them up? But Black Opal blush in nectar. Baby, 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 I love you. Yes honey. Yes, yes please, yes. And move glitterally from the collab that Nikki Tutorials did with Too Faced. Girl, I might use this for my New Year's look. I'm not sure anymore. I'm gonna see if I can like kind of zoom in and show you guys like what we're working with here. Like, can you see that? And it has a little like gold thingies in it. Like, who does that? That's genius, Nikki Tutorials along with Too Faced. Genius. Yo, that thing is shit. I love it. Now I don't know what kind of look I want to do, but I know I'm using glitter, baby. I know mama's gonna be using glitter, so excuse me. Tenacious Steel, Maybelline Color Tattoo. This is life. Use this with a gold eyeshadow, girl. You will not regret it. You won't. And don't pat it on. When you put this as a base, don't pat it on. Sweep it and have those two mix and turn into just like this majestic thing. Okay, so next is my glow from Artist Couture. This is in Conceited. Bravo. It's like a rose gold. You do not know this about me, but your girl is a rose gold. I love rose gold. Jesus swept. I love rose gold. Okay, I'm gonna be all sorts of glitter for New Year's. And you know, I can do two looks. I can do a New Year's look that is in the 9th because I have church in the 9th, but then the following day is Sunday, and I can do a New Year's look for that Sunday. So I can use my midnight for the New Year's night, and I can use my glitterly for New Year's morning. Because we are lidded. We are litified. My Bobby Brown, don't tell me, shimmer brick in bronze. Remember, I'm telling you this did mash up, so I'm gonna have to kind of mend it. So this is what it's looking like, but it's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yes, honey, please and thank you. You're just skin out the door. Okay, good. My lips by Shanna. Don't tell me. What's it called? Can't remember. Oh, no basic. I love Lippies by Shanna, especially this color. It just makes my lips look like nude. The only thing is it's hard to work with for me. I have to like do different tips and tricks with it to make it work. So I have to put on my liner first, then this, then blend, and as I'm blending, like apply the liner so the lip the lippy don't cover up the lip liner. It's hard to work with for me sometimes, especially when I'm rushing. I have to put this on if I'm going to take time, but if I'm rushing, it's not gonna look good, but I love it so much. I love it. No basic, boo. And that name though, speaking of Lippies by Shanna, come on girl, you know your Amber Glow had to be all up in this mix, baby. What me I go without Amber Glow for 2017?
Where? Donde?
Oh my gosh, Amber Glow, and it's just like gold. I am smiling like it's my own product. You see how much fool? She's some peas. Like, you're not even ready for Amber Glow. Amber Glow is a girl where I say, Amber, don't put on nothing too extra. We just go download, we go supermarket. Amber come dressed to the nines. Amber in a Louis Vuitton, a fur coat, and a nice silk dress. And she just put in a Peruvian straight 28 inches frontal. You know what I mean? Like, I got an Amber Glow. Like, she not ramp with you. And she don't care with me. And let's just continue with glows. I was going to talk about this, but let's just keep that for last. Not last, but we're going to talk about glows. My MAC Extra Dimension Double Definition Skin Finish. I've had this for years. Okay? Years. This shit is legit. I love it. And of course, found out about the strobing LA Girl Strobe Light Strobing Powder. This is in 40 watt. Girl, where am I going without all of them glow there? Where am I going?
Where? Donde?
And my creme de la creme. I wouldn't say that all those are creme de la creme, but Iman Afterglow. I first used this on a friend of mine who was doing her makeup, and she pulled it out. I was like, what the heck is this? She's like, oh, it's Iman. And back then when you say, oh, it's Iman, it's like, oh, I have money, I'm rich, and I have 2 Benz in the home, and I have a Doberman just waiting for me. That's what the oh, it's Iman was like. Like, it was like lit. But I'm not saying it's not lit, I'm just saying it's not as expensive to me, no, you know. So these two what I use for my glows, and use for blush sometime, but you have more of this than this. But these two are like my glow babies, honey. Always love mixing those babies. Smaller items, my Mary Kay at Play gold metal liquid liner, and my Silk Simi eyeliner from L'Oreal. And I've been to all the Fontana pharmacies island wide, and some of them I remember to ask, and some of them I don't, but the ones that I have, I don't see any by Salve, and I don't think they have any by Mobe and Kingston. That you need it in your life, you need it in your kit, you need it for your personal self, for your kit, for everything. Whenever it is like a gel liner, it does not move. It's excellent for bridal, because you know they're always crying and they get very moist. I was being nasty. I say moist. This is nasty. It's very moist. So when it gets moist, it doesn't move. I mean, I know I speak highly of the LA color, which is good, but I believe that one is way better than the LA colors. Even though I can't live without LA colors, because I've been using it every single day. And that one is like, yeah, it's up there, way up there. Stop slamming the door. Woo! Elf's Mineral Infused Face Primer. This is a primer that I say works well with this foundation. These two together, bae. It's great if you're working in an office with air conditioning, but if I can walk up and down and save clothes also, no, get the other one, get the red one, get the Pro Matte. The Pro Matte is excellent if you do promotions. You have to be like out in the sun and stuff, or in the road or whatever, but just not in air conditioning. That will keep you matte, that will keep you slick and smooth. Remember to go to the door, just skin out. It will keep you matte, it will keep you smooth, it will keep you looking right, honey. But these two, this is when you're working on office, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just keeping it 100. Just keeping it 100. No, Jonathan, close the door and stop opening. Close it. And of course my Nubian palette. Or onto palettes now. I hope I don't have any more smaller items. If I do, then whatever. But all my Juvia's Face palettes, but I chose this one just because of how natural and versatile it is. Look at the gradient of these colors right now. Look at that. It's an amazing. This is the first one that they had, the green one, and to me this one is still bae. I love it. Any Juvia's Place palette you get, you will not be disappointed. Oh my god, this is my Z palette, and this has my Makeup Geek colors in there, as well as my Mary Kay. And this one is Coastal Scents, that lone blue one. All of these are Makeup Geek, and I'm talking about all my Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Corrupt, I think this is Cocoa Bear, this is Simply Marlena, this is, I don't know, Bitten. How can I forget Bitten? But yeah, and my Mary Kay's. But I'm more loving these. No lie. I'm not throwing shade at Mary Kay or Coastal Scents. I'm just saying my Makeup Geek eyeshadows. Yes, honey, must have. Oh my god, my Shades by Girl palette. Which one I took up? I have two, and I just took up one random one. This is the green one. So as you can see, one is missing. I have a small child, hence things will be missing. But their colors are very pigmented. And whenever I use my Shades by Girl medium neutral concealer and as a base, these colors just pop right off my eyes, bubble, and I love their colors. And I have a full purple palette which I own, and I just grabbed one up. It didn't really matter, girl. Bruh, blush, highlight, what next up? Bronzer. Listen. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's falling apart. Did you guys see that? It's like falling apart. But you remember when this glow used to be it for me? I used to wear this over and over and over, and then like this palette, it was it for me, man. Oh my gosh, memory lane. I was thinking about my YouTube channel and like how much stuff I've like stuck to and like barely deviated from, unless I like got something from Fontana or like I said something like, you know what, I'm going to try that, and then it ended up being live. But whatever. Oh my god. My Morphe palettes. Is it upside down? I figured. My Morphe palettes. So this is 350M and 350S, and as I told you guys, the M means matte and the S means shimmer. So this one is the matte one, and this one is the shimmer one. I love these. They're so nice. I love the matte palette. It's just so gorgeous. I love all of them. I love the color payoff. I love the pigmentation. I love how easy the colors work with. I love them so much. And last but not least, you guys, the Kylie Burgundy palette. These colors, Kylie, go there, you find it. You find it, Kylie, go there. Kylie, go there, you find it. This color, this palette just does it for me. And you guys can see in a couple of my videos that I keep on going back to this palette for some of the colors. I love the reds. This orange, like she finally. This boy is sweeping. She finally found an orange that works for us deeper skin women. This palette is everything. I love the color pigmentation. I love the color. I love everything about this. And if you're using this color as a brow bone highlight, you guys know I don't mess with glitter on my brow bone, but not glitter, like shimmers on my brow bone. But that color, yes, ma'am, I do. Go, Jonathan. Right? Look, I'm leaving my head back with this up more. Jonathan, can you give me a minute, please? I soon finish. Can I go to grandma? So finish. Can I? I do not have any lipstick in this batch. So I'm just going to mention. I mentioned two in the beginning. All of my MAC lipsticks. Obviously. My. Which other one? I mentioned two by name. Yeah, so as I say, I don't have much lippies in here. My Darling Pink lip gloss by Avon, yes. All my MAC lipsticks, as I told you guys. I recently wore Riri Boy, and I'm like, where have you been all my life? So I'll be revisiting all my MAC lipsticks. I'll be wearing them probably consecutively for like 2 or 3 videos for the new year. You must shout out this Jonathan and Balin this because I can't get him only. It's like Madonna. One more. My England number 63 blush. Forgot to mention this. But that's basically it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative for you guys, and I hope it allowed you guys to see. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. I hope this helped out. Thank you so much for watching. Let me complete my thought there. I hope this helped out somebody just to get a bit more insight into the products that I'm loving, that I consider my holy grail. And I hope this video was helpful for you, for somebody. I enjoyed filming it, and it's almost to be 2017. Are you serious? Wow, 2017 is coming. What are your goals? Let me know in the comment section. What do you want for 2017? What have you already started on that you want for 2017? My encouragement to you guys would be, don't start for 2017. Start now in 2016 for 2017. Don't wait, you know, because if you have life right now, why not just do it? Right, so that's it, you guys, for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye. Alright guys, I know it's the end of the video. You did not get a video from me 2 days straight, and I wanted to explain why. The reason is because I was supposed to film on those 2 days, and I was just completely out of it. I just felt extremely drained. This video was recorded on Wednesday, and it should have been up Thursday. Then I was going to record Thursday for Friday, and then I have 2 videos actually planned for today, Saturday, when you're seeing this video. And after it's been completely drained, I got sick, still sick. I'm stuffy. Plus I have not stopped going to the gym or to the hill, but I took a break yesterday on Friday the 30th. I took a break, and then I had a bridal party to do, and I was on my feet for most of the days. Then went and ran some errands right after the wedding, my job, the bridal party, and I've just been extremely drained. So I truly apologize. I failed this mission, and I'm very sorry, but I just want to let you guys know that I have not given up. So I didn't say, okay, I didn't do 2 videos, so I'm not going to do anything at all. It done gone bad already. It has gone too far. No, I still pushed my butt. I'm up. I woke up at 3:30 this morning to edit this video. It is now 5 o'clock. I've been up for almost 2.5 hours editing this video. You guys mean so much to me. This past year has been absolutely, truly a blessing. I love you guys. Sorry for the long voice until the end of this video. And I'll talk to you next year. I love you guys. Thanks for the support, and God bless.
Everybody's got a blank page, a story they're writing today, a wall that they're climbing. You can carry the past on your shoulders. You can start over regrets. No matter what you've gone through, Jesus, He gave it all to save you. He carried the cross on His shoulders, so you can start